Hey, what's up, everybody? What's going on? So, I was alerted to this video, allegedly by the Savage family. This is a YouTube page. It basically says a Savage. I'm not sure if it's them or not, but basically, there's this video that basically was made, and I'm not sure who made the video, and I can't make any claims as to whether or not the Savages are actually responsible for this video. As we know, in this day and time, it's easy to get on the internet and basically spoof anybody's identity. We all know that back some time ago, there was a video made where Jocelyn Savage was coming out to speak out against R. Kelly, and it turned out not to be her. So I'm not going to basically make the same mistake that everybody made when that video came out, and they basically portrayed this as it actually being legit. We don't know that this video is legit. I don't know if it's legit, but I'm just going to come out and I'm going to talk about this video and the possible litigation that might ensue if it's actually made by the Savages, if the Savages have actually, come out and produced this video. Right now, I will tell you, and it basically the title of the video is called "Exclusive R. Kelly Trump's Tower Tour 2020," and it says the Savages. But again, we don't know that Savages actually made this video. Now, I do know that there are clips of Tim Savage in the video. You can see him here. He's talking in this video. There's also some clips of his wife in the video, and she's giving some commentary. Now, again, I don't know the context of this video, and with all the deep fake videos out there, you have to approach everything with caution, because you don't know if they actually made this video. You don't know if someone took a deep fake and basically put their images over them, so on and so forth. So you have to give everybody the benefit of the doubt here. Oh, and another thing, I want to let you know that I have made other videos on invasion of privacy and false light, and basically these videos were made in the context of Tasha K and why she would be sued. I think they were actually called Tasha K will be sued again for invasion of privacy, or the litigation between Tasha K and Cardi B, or something like that. I'll append those videos to the end of this video because it's going to give you context and a deeper depth in looking into what a invasion of privacy claim entails, and also false light. So I'm going to append that to the end of this video. Be on the lookout for it. Now, let's go ahead and pretend, right? Let's go ahead and pretend that the Savages did make this video, right? And in this pretend fantasy world, if they made this video, then they should be sued for invasion of privacy, right? So let me explain. They actually, in this fantasy video, they go through R. Kelly's apartment. Allegedly, it's R. Kelly's apartment. I don't know that it's actually R. Kelly's apartment, but let's just pretend it is. So in this fantasy world, they go through R. Kelly's apartment and they shoot videos of his apartment and his private things. I'll see if I can find some of it. So they shoot videos of his room, right? And you can actually see somebody in the background right here, right? So they shoot pictures of his room, and they shoot pictures of his living room, and they also take a detailed account of this miniature McDonald's, which they are calling a doll house, right? So they go in details, and this is where some of the commentary comes from Tim Savage's wife, and she talks about this doll house, and there's also, I think it's opened up and you can see images of R. Kelly and his mom in the dollhouse. To me, this is basically this man's private things. If this is real, this is his private personal things. And it's being put on display for the world to see. right? And here's some more images of the actual Dow house, right? So when you scroll down and you look at the description of the video, it basically says the savages give you insight on what's going on in the Trump Towers with Jocelyn Savage. So you can see how hashtag Jocelyn Savage is living in poverty, unkept rooms. Not alone, R. Kelly has a Dow house that he plays with on the daily basis, watching from the window to see the big, so on and so forth. So now let's get into this, right? Because first off, I don't think anybody's going to believe that someone's living in poverty in the Trump Towers. I mean, those two just don't go together. It's not even a congruent sentence. Living in poverty in the Trump Towers, it just don't even make any sense. And then, but they make the accusation anyway, right? So you're trying to portray this man and your daughter in false light. And then you're saying the rooms are unkept, by the description of the video. Well, first off, the dude is in jail. He's in jail. There's no way that he could possibly maintain or keep an apartment while he's in jail. Everyone knows this. So it's obvious in this fantasy world that they've taken advantage of the fact that R. Kelly is in prison, right? Or, locked up, awaiting trial. Then they also go on to basically make accusations that he plays with the Dow House on a daily basis, right? So basically, in my mind, this is a clear-cut case of invasion of privacy. And if any of this stuff is true, if they actually made this video, and if they actually shot images of his apartment, and they're coming out making these claims, if these allegations are true and correct, then the Savages should be brought up on invasion of privacy and false light, and we're going to get into those in a second here.